It's Mr. Wicka 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 Weird and me, and if you please, would you calibrate with me? And now, together, can you please, in time, would you with me? Kiara, and now we going away with the show. I'm going on a little implantin spree, 'cause I got my Pokeball inside of me. So I catch and then select in the way of the Pokeball inside my hands. And so, since I action this with the waves of the compass thermometer like this. And, well, what am I putting in now? I'm gonna put in this fork through wow, and I'll put in these tools through wow. Oh, hey, and that'll let us say, so I can open up the lock inside my mind and be open all the way. True they, and then I got, because I'm a Fallout geek, my red Ryder BB gun will be inside my MC. Whoop, whoop. Like an implant. Like a magical cyborg. And that's what I'll try to do. And that'll be always, always, always ooze. Whoop. So it's pretty much all the same with the some karate, baba karate, bit karate. Another word, plus karate, my karate. In this case, it would be utsujati. Because you discharge this like that's what you do with firearms, speaking generally. And we have for this to be. I thought heavily about what this could be. I considered coax. I considered, I probably should have considered coerce. But I settled on san, not for that to be, to translate through what the other side of the lock could be. And that would wait to see what's on the other side of the locks inside my mind truly. And then I have for this to be. I've done this twice, not because there are two prongs, but because I guess I'm silly. One is Pinakarategate to align with the key of V. Oh hey. I also actually have three. I also got Spandate and Patriati, cause it's a Zvada Paxa sound winged fork to vibrate in my wing to be, so I can lend wings to my voice truly. Whoop. And that's what I got for now. Thanks for watching me and coming along anyhow. And if you're inclined to be, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to me.